What's up, Polygon holder? So what's going on? 13% profit, my friends. 13% Polygon price will increasing. So definitely that's a very good news for all of you, my friend. And I hope, my friend, in the start of month, if they will move upwards, so that is just an all credit goes to, my friend, the team of Polygon, and especially on a holders, because when a holder are starting holding, when a holder are starting investing, so the price will pumping up, and the price is completely, my friend, in the profit now. So therefore the Polygon price will increase now. Congratulations and thank you so much for everyone who's supporting this coin. And my friend, remember this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please remember to research personally before you take any decision, because remember the ABS Tech channel, one of the unique YouTube channel today, just in only guide holders, just in all the, my friends, not make a financial video. If you check out our channel, so we are make a lot of videos from a lot of coin, not just unique Polygon. So therefore, my friends, 13.7 people, my friend, you can see here 13,000 people are subscribed this channel, my friends. So that's clear to their all trust on this channel. And definitely, if you also want to earn money from crypto, now click the red button, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Definitely, my friends, the Polygon price will pumps up. So that's mean, my friends, so this coin is completely going the moon now. And last 24 hours, last 1 hour, last 7 days, my friend, everything is going positive. So that's a very good news for me. And the rank and the market cap and the volume, everything is increasing. So that's a very good coin. 1.24 USD dollar. I am 100% sure, my friends, too, if they will get now 20% profit, so they will easily hit now 2 USD dollar, just and only, my friend, in the mid of month. Polygon holder, I have just one thing, my friend. I just want to tell you, to in upcoming time there is a lot of chances for the price will pumps up. So therefore please hold now this all month. I am 100% sure to they will give you a very good profit at the end of month. So thanks for watching, Polygon holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.